Row 1 will have all of our 30 to 40 or over foot trees, asparagus, 3 artichoke, Yupon holly. On the corners will be squash. In the centers, tomatoes. On the outside of the drip, peppers, fig, Aunt Ruby's German. So from the Yupon holly is the current tomato gold rush. 65 to 70 days, 4 to 7 foot tall. Then the golden cayenne peppers, 75 to 85 days. You got the green fig. Then you go over here to Aunt Ruby's green tomato, 4 to 7 foot tall, 80 to 85 days. To the green stuffer, 75 to 85 days, 5 to 7 foot tall. To the hot red cow horns, 75 to 90 day. Got a bell peach, a rainbow variety of beefsteaks, 80 to 90 days, 5 to 7 foot tall, and the black Hungarian jalapeno peppers. Another bell Georgia peach, pink tie-dye, and the black brandy wine, as well as the Virginia sweet beefsteaks, 5 to 7 foot tall, a Bing cherry squash. That's all of the hot peppers, and then you have a buffer of no peppers, and then the Bing cherry and the sweet peppers. And then you have tomato, 75 to 80 day, 5 to 6 foot tall. The sweet pepper, 75 to 80 day. Red Haven peach, Amish paste tomato, and the sweet pepper, the round Hungarian. Another peach, I think this is one of ours, maybe, I'm not sure. Another paste tomato, and the shishuti, a tamarind, a Bonnie Best, Ukraine purple, and the nata pina sweet pepper, moringa, the black from Tula tomato, and the husk cherries all in here, moringa. Another rosella tomato, moringa, and the banana leg shorty, 3 to 4 foot tall tomato.